So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and today we are going to know about framer motion. So just search for framer motion and go to documentation of framer motion, and I'm going to tell you how to implement this. Okay, go to introduction, and today for sake of easiness we are going to implement this, which is as soon as you reload the page, it is going to slowly appear out of nowhere. So in order to do this, we have to see the code of this. Just scroll this, and this is your code. So remember, for if you are doing this in React, you have to do in app.js. If you are doing this in Next.js, you have to do this in index.js. So I am going to do in Next.js. So I have modified the index.js. If you see, you can just remove everything and leave only this part of code and add a div here. Okay, after leaving this, uh, add a div here. And what I'm going to do is inside my public folder I have added a avatar.jpg, this photo, and I want this to slowly appear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install framer motion. So how do I install? npm I and framer motion for this. Okay, and I'll click on enter, and once this is installed, all I'm going to do is inside this div I want to have an image. Okay, so this is the avatar dot image, and once so inside this div I have an image. Okay, so after this I should do npm run dev. Okay, so once I need to go to the server. Okay, so what framer motion is saying is this is the code for it. All you need to do is copy the motion from framer motion. It is installed. Okay, we already installed it now, and after this we have to write import motion from motion. And instead of, so whatever your element is, be it a div or be it a paragraph, all you need to do is add motion at the front of it. Okay, so I'll just control this and I'll paste it here, and make sure to that you write it in the closing tag as well. There is no closing tag, so write motion.div here. And next what it is saying is inside this motion.div you have to also paste this. Okay, this initial, how it is, so opacity 0 to opacity 1, just copy this, and once you do this, just paste it here. Okay, and our website should be up and working now. So all I did was added an image. Okay, inside this div, and made this div to motion, and used motion from framer motion. That's all we need. And if you go to localhost, if I reload the page, you will see that it is slowly appearing out of nowhere. Okay, so it is just slowly appearing as it is shown in the documentation. If I remove this, let's say, let me just remove this animation part. Okay, so this won't happen. Okay, so that's all from my side, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, till then, see ya.